Hello, I'm Captain AHS. Today, we're trying to discover something fun. Change the sound in a word.
Mina, this bread smells amazing. But let's turn shopping into a fun.
Always. What's the fun, Baba?
It's a little interesting game. Ready?
Let's start, Baba.
Okay, start with the word cup. Change the C in cup to P. What do you get?
That's a pup! Like a cute little puppy waiting outside the bakery.
Exactly. Now change the A in tap to O.
Look, Baba, that's top! Like the top of the spinning cake display.
You're a pro at this. Now let's grab some cookies and head home.
Hey, Hasib, looks like you're working hard out here. How about a break?
A break? What are you up to, Saro? Something tells me you've got a plan.
Of course. I came to see if you're as sharp as you think you are. And help me change the sound of words.
You're trying to outsmart me, huh? Alright, bring it on.
Okay, big brother Hasib, let's see how good you are. Ready?
Always ready. What's the first challenge?
Alright, change the B in bat to R.
That's easy. Rat. Like the sneaky little one I saw in the garden last week. Now it's your turn.
Gross, Hasib. But yes, you got it. I'm ready, please give me an interesting word.
Change the in rat to I.
That's writ. Like a fun little chant during a game.
Not bad, but it's actually writ, like short for ritual.
I see. Okay, what's next?
Final one. Change the T in writ to G.
That's rig. Like the big truck we saw on the highway yesterday.
You're good at this too, Saro. I'm impressed.
Thank you, Hasib. Let's go and eat food, I'm hungry.
Saro, you can go. I'll water the plants and then I'll come.
Saro and Mina, I want to put your skills to the test before the big show. Let's find out just how sharp you are.
Okay, Mama. What's the first word?
Change the S in sand to L.
That's land! Like our garden land.
Good. Now change the in the land to R.
Lard. Like the stuff for cooking.
You got it. Now finish your food and go to bed.
Excellent work, team! You've learned all about short U. Now, let's see how much you remember with the final quiz. What word do you get by changing the B in bat to C? Options: A. Cat, B. Hat. The correct answer is a cat. Which picture matches the word lap? Options: A. Sitting, B. Standing. The correct answer is a sitting. Changing the N in man to T makes the word mat. Options: A. True, B. False. The correct answer is A. True. What are the sounds in the word red? Options: A. R-E-D, B. R-I-D. The correct answer is A. R-E-D. If you change the M in mat to H, what's the new word? Options: A. Hat, B. Bat. The correct answer is hat. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll uncover which two words start with the same sound.